In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete organization folders. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Organization. After arriving at your organization settings page, go to your new top menu bar and click on Folders. You should arrive at your list of organization folders. To the left, you should see a column with all of your folders' names. Let's say I want to edit East Campus. I'll click on East Campus, and now I can view all of the details for this folder. I could change the East Campus parent. If I click the arrow next to parent, I could choose to leave this top, meaning a folder all by itself, or I could choose to make this a subfolder. I'm going to leave this on top. I could also edit the folder's name, and I can give the folder an external ID. So if I click that box, maybe I'll put 789. If you're happy with your changes to this folder, click Save. And now those changes have been saved. I could also add a subfolder if I wanted. Let's say that I want to add a new location. I'll click the Add button. Let's say I want to add the ice cream shop. I can click Ice Cream Shop. Notice next to Ice Cream Shop, it says that this location is assigned. That means it's already in another folder. By assigning it to this new location, I am taking it out of that other folder and moving it to this one. If you don't want to do that, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that location has been added to this folder and removed from the previous folder. If I changed my mind and I didn't mean to add that location, I can choose Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove this location. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that location has been removed. That's how you can edit one of your current folders. Let's say I want to delete a whole folder. I can click on that folder. I'll say South Campus Satellite. And if I want to delete this folder, all I have to do is choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this folder. If not, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that folder has been deleted. The locations that were contained within that folder will still be in the pool of locations, and they will no longer have an assigned next to them. That's how you can edit and delete locations in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view and add organization roles.